how many girls I talk to. You got a girlfriend, you do relationships. I'm gonna let y'all guess, take a guess, go through my old videos, my recent videos, and y'all let me know what girl y'all think it is that I committed to. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, yeah. Currently it's the next day, but I forgot to film my intro when I was with her. So basically, I'm letting y'all know that the video really is self-explanatory in the beginning, but we are about to do a mukbang and shit like that. And if y'all don't know, I just came back from North Carolina, and that vlog is coming out soon. So I ain't do too much yapping, y'all. Let's get into the video. So, this is Destiny. This is the girl I told y'all I was locking in with. This is my girlfriend there. Right?
Am I right?
Yeah. Right?
Say nah. Yeah. We locked in.
Don't tell me.
Yeah, I don't know what you be doing.
But yeah,
y'all seen the title of that last night?
Y'all tired of watching the video before she actually started tripping on me. But yeah, we finna do a mukbang. We just grabbed some Chinese food and shit like that.
Tell them what you got.
I got a beef and broccoli. And she ate all my broccoli, most of my broccoli.
I had 3 pieces of. Oh, it was actually my bad.
Y'all put it in the microwave. Got chiefy? Nah, I'm good.
Sure.
Yeah. Alright, so we just gonna just ask some questions and shit like that. But I'm gonna start it off.
You ain't. Anyways, y'all, I got lo mein and fried rice. Cause it's just
Oh yeah, see, he threw me off. See, alright, start over. What you got? What you got?
That lo mein is nasty as fuck. That is the worst lo mein I've ever had in my whole entire life.
Right.
Yeah, let me try this rice. Yeah, you can't really go wrong with fried rice. But this shit right here. Oh, they didn't want to share after you just told the whole world that I ate it.
Nasty.
Nah, you said that I ate it all. You trying to call me fat on camera? That's embarrassing. No.
Yeah,
he don't love me.
Yeah.
He don't love me.
That's a lie. You want some broccoli?
He be out here being Joe with bitches. And y'all be seeing it too. Y'all lame as fuck, cause y'all don't tell me.
I'm about to see this video.
Nah, I want to see that damn video. That's why your phone did. You saw this shit picking it up.
Alright, y'all. So, if y'all don't know how we met cause you wanna tell him?
Now you can tell him. I'll tell him.
Okay. Yeah, we met cause Dion. It was a year ago, I think. A year or 2 ago. And Dion put us on a blind date.
It was 3 years ago.
3 years ago. So we know each other for about
It was like
3 years
4 years ago, actually. Let's go check. That shit was a minute ago.
Yeah, we'll check.
We started talking last year.
Yeah, shout out to Dion. Okay.
No, that's actually my guy.
Good your ass.
You want to get into it?
No.
Oh, okay. Don't try. Don't try it.
3 years
Because
ago?
really the real one.
3 years ago?
So it's better when you say a year, and I'm saying 3. Let's say.
No, I said 2 years.
No, you didn't. No, fuck
I'm
you
blocking
didn't.
in 2 years.
No, fuck you didn't. No.
2 years. You said 3.
What his shit is like Dion don't play, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. People how Dion only got 1 girl on his page. 1 girl.
How long was it? Yeah, let's take a second to acknowledge how pretty she is. She look good. Welcome, yeah.
Thank you, baby.
Let me see.
Hmm?
It's okay.
I was 2 years.
2 years? So I was right?
No, you was not right. You said 1 year.
I said 2.
Okay.
Alright, guys, so we know each other for about 2 years now, at least. She's still doing this 3, but yeah.
YouTube.
Nah, but it was 2 years ago. What? Where the date at? Oh, April 17th. Also, just hit 2 years.
Type shit. See, I was right. So yeah, we've been talking for 2 years now, and yeah, a few minutes ago she just tried to leave me.
Cause he plays around too much. It's cool.
Bro, got some questions. I never did like a mukbang before.
I feel like they just talk.
Just talk.
Mhm.
Okay.
There's no we can really ask each other. It's not like we just started talking.
No, fix. So. Alright, let's see. Alright, what was your first impression?
Of you?
Yeah, like during a blind date.
Want me to be honest?
Yeah.
Ew.
Real shit?
Hmm?
I thought the same thing.
For real? You're lying.
Alright. No, I'm so serious.
For real? Like that ass? Yeah.
A little bit, but like.
No, you're lying. Right?
Nah, alright, look. So like at the time, like I was into like light skins.
Yeah, I know you said that.
Yeah, I said that.
And I said to you, I was like, I'm not light skinned.
Yeah. She told me she wasn't light skinned while we were still blindfolded.
No, I didn't. I thought the shit was off.
Nah, we had her blindfolded.
No, we need to do a video where like, you know how they be like rewatching old shit?
And react to it.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah.
Yeah, y'all stay tuned because the next video we're gonna react to the blind date in case y'all didn't see it.
Actually, I said some out of pocket shit, man.
What'd you say?
You know what I said.
Can we watch it real quick?
You know what I said.
Yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned because we definitely is gonna react to this video.
You really don't remember what I said?
No, I don't. What'd you say? It was bad.
What's up, man? It's your boy Deanna. We back with another video.
I was right here. I think it's right.
Cheating. That's it. So I get like.
What's in my
Gotcha. Go ahead. That's it.
Why you looking more?
No, I saw about the. I gotta see.
Okay. Yo, she can walk fired. Her fat ass butt in the camera.
Okay. That's it. Nothing else.
I'll put them there.
Like if they on the phone, it should be a job, but like. No, but like when.
Yeah. Look at my, hold on, look at my locks though.
You fuck with that answer?
I know. When you have first time.
You know what I'm saying? Trying to get to know you though, but I got a couple crazy questions we'll see real quick. So what's the freakiest thing y'all ever did?
Yeah, that.
Go ahead.
You don't remember?
Go ahead.
Wait, what?
You really don't remember? Wait, I didn't say it. I didn't say it yet.
Oh.
Hey, can I ask? You said what?
How do you not remember?
It's been a while since I saw it.
Yeah, but I never forget what I. Nobody ever forgets.
Hold on, bro, I gotta get it. You what? No, wait.
Video.
Wait.
Watch the video. Watch it.
Oh, what's up, Slime?
Chillin'?
Chillin'?
Yeah, let me get my shit on charger real quick.
I don't even got my charger. Oh, you got yours?
Yeah.
No, I said what's up to the vlog, gang.
Oh shit, I
yeah.
didn't peek this.
Eddie Green.
You ain't never posted that
I
Christmas
don't
joke.
remember
You don't remember that?
I don't remember you saying this.
Okay. I literally have people still walk up to me to this day. They talking about, oh shit.
Okay, I can eat later.
The door's still open.
I don't remember this part of the video, bro. Like, I don't remember you saying.
How do you not remember? I literally have people walk up to me to me.
Sure. You got what? My fault. What'd you say?
I still have people walk up to me to this day. Whatever.
Like what they say?
They be like, yo, I watched Dion's video. They be like, what you said was crazy. You know, like white girl shit.
That's crazy, bro. I forgot about that. I ain't gonna lie. I did some crazy shit too. That's what I was talking about.
I got right now. Red flag and all that shit. I got right now. Y'all got anything y'all want to ask each other? Like any questions? Like something you want to know about her or something like that? Okay. So she. So,
What?
You get like nostalgia watching it.
y'all get to y'all first. What you getting?
Bro, you can't. You not gonna lie. You can't get mad at me, right? Like once you see what happened. You watched this video, right?
No, I think I did see. I think I did. No, I think I know. I just play it.
Okay. Yeah, bridges. What color?
They like teal.
Yeah, that's fire. Where the fuck he go?
You in the drone it turned into.
Alright, you got any questions?
I mean, not really.
What's he doing?
Two, one.
No, I think you turned your face over or some shit.
I go ahead. See if you like what you seeing or not.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna give y'all like a minute 30. Y'all wanna still talk with the mask off and all
Yeah, I
that?
would go mask
I'm gonna come back.
No, wait, what'd you do? Oh, wait. No, wait, I think I know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're saying.
Hold on. I gotta see it.
Water got me a check.
My hair is long. So like I'm a 10 now. So like my hair longer. 8, 7.
You like a cool 4.